Hi everyone. The winters come with dry noses and nosebleeds. I wanted to tell you about a simple spray I make for myself. Works like a charm. Ingredients: olive oil, Boroleum, and you also need a spray bottle, a shot glass, and a toothpick. Here how it works. Take the shot glass and pour in some oil. Then add Boroleum. How much? About half an inch. Microwave the whole thing for about 30 seconds. It should warm up very little. The idea is that Boroleum will soften up for better dissolving. A bit of science. Boroleum is oil-based, and as chemistry tells us, like dissolves like. After the microwave, stir the mix with a toothpick to help Boroleum to dissolve. And pour the mixture into the spray bottle. That's it, you're done. I couldn't find a spray bottle that could actually atomize the mix because oil is too heavy. Anyway, I use it a couple of times a day, before bed and around midday. You should perhaps spray once into each nostril while sitting upright. Some oil may drip down, so have a tissue around. Lie down on your back for a while to let it spread, and you may feel some tingling in the nose area. Important, don't breathe it in deep. A side note, they say that olive oil has antibacterial and antiviral properties. That's a bonus.